If you close your eyes and you have one moment it's still and you have the feeling you ride with a bike, it's nothing is there, then you have the inspiration to build this bike. I bring my inspiration to paper and I follow my heart. It comes from the inside, you know, not from the outside. I'm Thomas Bläsing from Germany and I'm a Royal Enfield dealer near Berlin. I won the BKBO in the year 2023 and for me it's a special chance to build a custom bike with the support from Royal Enfield. Now if you see the original Shotgun, it is a long flat bike and for me it's important that you can see the original bike inside of the custom bike. Sometimes we have no plans, we only do it, yeah, because we have the experience to build something. Shotgun is a perfect base to build this bike. And at first we had the idea to bring a special bike with air suspensions to life. We want to build a very, very flat bike. And it's only possible with the air suspension. So the air ride brings life in the bike. It's a living bike now. All the time if I construct the headlight, it needs a lot of times. We had some differences in the team. I make a lot of constructions and sketches and tests before it works. I think it's a nice face that opens the eyes. Close the eyes.
No, it's much better. Yeah, I think so.
It's only possible to build a bike as a team. And I build bikes with Dirk since more than 10 years and is a good friend. We had a lot of success with the bikes in the last years and it's funny to build a bike together. We are like an old couple and we have some discussions about the bikes. Sometimes it's not friendly, but in all times we find a way to make a compromise. Yeah, it's a combination from two brains. It's two nice brains. Dirk's inspiration is build a bike for show, and for me it's important that you can ride with a bike. Everybody bring his ideas in a project, and so the project is more full of ideas and more full of inspirations. The ground from a lot of custom bike builders is depressions. You find a way to make a part of art for build a bike. We can paint a picture or we can write a lyric, we can build a bike with handcraft. You can print your inspiration in a bike and that make happy. It's not a work, it's fun. It's a special moment to see the complete bike and there's a lot of stress to build a bike. I work in the evening, in the night, on weekend, every time. And you have a dream of the bike. Go at home, anybody sleep and you dream from your bike. It's okay. We worked on this bike, I think, 2,000 hours. The most time Dirk worked for the special metal parts. The inside team is Dirk and me, and outside we have Andy for the saddle, we have Sebastian for the coloring, and we have Stefan from Berlin for airbrush. And so the bike is a combination of all passions from me and my friends. If you have a good team, then you have a good bike. This bike is a celebration of 125 years Royal Enfield history. We want to bring some elements from India to the bike, from the design and also from the coloring. I get a lot of good moments with Royal Enfield in the last year, and for me it's possible to give a part of this gift back. The bike is very flat, and if you start, the bike moves, it lives. Hey, it's not only a part of metal, it's organic element and it lives. The headlight was not in the idea of the design, it comes later. It was in a process to produce a bike, comes the idea. Need a lot of time to construct it, and I was not sure that it works. 2 weeks ago I was much more nervous. I can feel we get a good end. The next 2 weeks I have not so many sleeps. You must have a dream to build a bike, and if you don't sleep you can dream. Sometimes the best ideas come overnight. We are ready now with the bike, and the Shaan is born. A heart of metal, yet a spirit of wind. I think if the bike is moving, you can discover a special moment. You see, okay, it's life.
From the beginning, the goal was to build a motorcycle that reflects the quality and creativity on the Lion motorcycle scene.